Hi, this is CEO Christian of Nedsky Enterprises, and today I'm excited to reveal our newest product. This product has been in the works for over a decade, and I'm finally excited to reveal this to you. And I'm finally blessed to reveal this product to you. Now, enough chit chat, and let's see what the hype is all about. Before I reveal this amazing product, let's go clean this pupper up. Alright guys, now that we got the Fiesta all cleaned up, let's talk about Nedsky Enterprises' newest product, the shifter knob. This shifter knob is handcrafted from aircraft grade aluminum steel, forged in our specially operated CNC machine lathes at St. Benedict Catholic Secondary School. After many decades of designing this piece of marvel, we finally decided to release this product to the public. Some of the features of this amazing shifter knob is its ergonomics, its style, its performance, and its aerodynamics. Installing the new shifter knob is quite simple, really. To install it, you first want to unscrew your old shifter knob. Next, you want to remove the boot from the actual thing. After you remove your shifter boot, you can go throw your old shifter because you're not going to need that anymore. Next, you're going to grab your new shifter knob, this sleek and ergonomical new shifter knob, and just screw her on. This new shifter knob comes in a thread size M12 by 1.5, so you're able to put it in almost any vehicle on the market, really. After installing this new shifter knob, we can see how sleek, ergonomical, and fashionable this shifter knob provides, as well as the enhanced performance benefits this brings to the track. This leather the shifter is made is from genuine horseradish leather, ethically sourced, and vegan. Some features about this amazing shifter knob is its foam leather wrap that goes around the circumference of the shifter knob. It has decent padding, but yet still gives you good contact to the shifter. The shifter also comes with a sleek CNC engraved gearing thingy that lets you know what gear you're in for max performance. Many different ways to hold the shifter. Here are a couple. The classic, the thumb gripper, the knob, and the finger. And my personal favorite, using stitching at the back as a gripper. Alrighty guys, it's time to put the shifter knob to the real test. We're gonna see if our Nedsky Enterprise manufactured shifter knob will outperform the stock shifter knob. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so first test, we're gonna use a stock shifter. Alrighty guys, it's time to go into the Nedsky Enterprises shifter knob. Let's get into it. feel the responsiveness with this new shifter knob. It's quite brilliant. When I was racing with the other shifter knob, I could barely shift through the gears, but this shifter knob is just brilliant, really. Alrighty guys, the results are in, and from what we could tell, it took the stock shifter approximately 12.72 seconds, while the manufactured shifter, it only took 7.2 seconds to cross the fishing line. This just proves the massive performance benefits you can get with the shifter knob. But don't just take it from me. Take it from all of the other valued customers of Netscape corporations that have purchased and used this shifter knob on a daily basis. What a great job Netscape Corporations, Netscape Enterprise has done of this shifter knob. It's absolutely unbelievable how much performance I can feel coming out of this vehicle right now. It just changes this whole vehicle. I feel like it feels like a different car basically. The performance is amazing.
This shifter knob really enhances my performance on the track. Hi, my name's Amy Cassidy, and I am a loyal patron to Netscape Enterprises products. I feel their new shifter knob really enhances the performance of my car, and I can feel the horsepower increase.
Hi, my name is Lubomir, and I just gotta say big shout out to shifter knob. It really helps me on the track with my performance and increase. Just want to say I've been working really hard. I can really feel the horsepower increase within your old shifter knob. Throw it out and get yourself a Netscape Enterprise shifter knob. Lubomir out. This has been a Netscape Enterprise production. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to purchase one of these yourself. Netscape Enterprise shifter knobs. Thank you.